How to add auto caption in CapCut in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your CapCut application. Tap on New Project. Select the video you want to edit and tap on Add to Import. Once you are in the editing platform, tap on Text. Here you can see various options. Select on Auto Caption. Tap Generate and CapCut will generate caption automatically. Use the Style menu to adjust font, color, background and animation for better readability. Adjust timing and placement to sync caption perfectly with the video. Once you are happy with the caption, tap Export. Select your preferred resolution and save your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add auto caption in CapCut for professional looking videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.